In the introduction of the video script titled, "How Animals Survive in the Harshest Places on Earth," we delve into the remarkable resilience of wildlife thriving in extreme environments. The concept of resilience in this context refers to the incredible ability of certain species to adapt and endure in regions characterized by severe climatic conditions, scarce resources, and inhospitable landscapes. This resilience is not merely about survival, but thriving, reproducing, and establishing ecosystems in places where life seems improbable. The significance of understanding wildlife resilience is paramount, as it not only highlights the marvels of nature, but also sheds light on broader ecological principles and the adaptability of life. In a world grappling with climate change and biodiversity loss, these resilient species offer insights into potential survival strategies, making this topic both timely and educational. Consider the desert-adapted fennec fox, with its large ears that efficiently dissipate heat and its nocturnal lifestyle, minimizing water loss and exposure to daytime temperatures. Similarly, the Antarctic penguin, like the emperor penguin, endures frigid temperatures through specialized behaviors such as huddling for warmth and a thick layer of blubber for insulation. These examples illustrate nature's ingenuity and the adaptive mechanisms developed by species over thousands of years. In supporting the resilience of wildlife, many ecologists and biologists argue that these adaptations are a testament to the intricate balance and interdependence within ecosystems. Moreover, they emphasize the urgency in preserving such species, as they contribute significantly to biodiversity and the functioning of global ecosystems. However, this admiration for animal resilience does not come without challenges and controversies. Critics point out the anthropocentric dangers of overselling resilience, potentially overlooking the impacts of human activities that exacerbate environmental stresses. There's also a debate on the limits of adaptability, questioning how far these creatures can be pushed before ecosystems collapse under climatic pressures. This discussion on resilience seamlessly ties into other aspects of the main topic by setting the stage for exploring specific survival strategies animals employ. It underscores the interconnectedness between species and their environments, preparing viewers to appreciate the complex interactions and survival tactics detailed later in the script. By capturing the audience's attention with striking examples and expert opinions, the introduction aims to instill a sense of wonder and respect for these adapted creatures, paving the way for a deeper understanding of life's tenacity in the world's most challenging places. In the realm of nature's resilience, understanding extreme habitats such as deserts, tundras, and deep oceans is crucial to appreciating how animals survive in the harshest places on Earth. These environments, characterized by their severe conditions, challenge the very essence of survival and adaptation. Deserts are known for their scorching days and frigid nights, with minimal rainfall, making water a precious commodity. In contrast, tundras are cold deserts, dominated by permafrost and severe temperatures, where only the toughest organisms endure. Meanwhile, the deep oceans present a world of perpetual darkness, immense pressure, and cold temperatures that test the limits of adaptation. The significance of these habitats in understanding animal survival lies in the extraordinary adaptations that life forms have developed. These adaptations offer an incredible insight into the resilience of life. For instance, the camel in the desert can survive for weeks without water due to its hump, which stores fat that can be converted into water and energy. Similarly, the Arctic fox in the tundra showcases superb insulation with its thick fur, allowing it to thrive in temperatures as low as -58 degrees Fahrenheit. In the deep oceans, the anglerfish showcases extraordinary evolutionary traits. Its bioluminescent lure attracts prey in the pitch-black darkness, a stunning adaptation to an environment devoid of light. Experts often cite these examples to highlight nature's adaptability and resilience, emphasizing the remarkable ingenuity of different life forms in overcoming environmental challenges. These adaptations are a testament to the creative solutions life can formulate in response to seemingly insurmountable odds. However, studying extreme habitats also poses challenges and raises controversies. Some argue that human intrusion and climate change threaten these delicate ecosystems and could potentially lead to the extinction of specialized species. Others emphasize the ethical implications and potential ecological repercussions of interfering with these habitats for scientific exploration. This understanding of extreme habitats is integral to the main topic because it demonstrates the interconnectedness of life and environment. The adaptations observed in these harsh regions influence scientific exploration and inspire technological and environmental solutions in other fields. The survival mechanisms elucidated here reflect broader themes of adaptation and resilience, key concepts that inform how we approach both current and future environmental challenges. Ultimately, by delving into these formidable territories, we gain a greater appreciation of the intricate and dynamic dance of life that enables animals to endure the most severe conditions on our planet, enriching our understanding of both nature and ourselves. Adaptation mechanisms, encompassing both physical and behavioral strategies, are vital processes that allow animals to thrive in some of the most unforgiving environments on our planet. These adaptations are evolutionary responses that enhance survival and reproduction in specific habitats, often characterized by extreme conditions such as intense cold, searing heat, or scarce resources. Understanding these mechanisms is crucial to appreciating the resilience and ingenuity of life in harsh places, offering inspiring stories of survival and adaptation. The significance of adaptation mechanisms lies in their role as essential tools for survival. Animals have evolved a diverse range of strategies to cope with environmental challenges, showcasing nature's ability to innovate under pressure. For instance, polar bears exemplify physical adaptations with their thick, insulating fur and a layer of blubber that protects them against the Arctic cold, while their white fur offers camouflage in the snowy environment. On the other end of the spectrum, the fennec fox exhibits behavioral adaptations suited to desert life of survival. They influence food acquisition, predator evasion, and reproductive strategies, driving the evolutionary paths of species. Understanding these connections allows us to better comprehend broader ecological dynamics and species interactions in extreme environments. In essence, studying adaptation mechanisms not only enriches our knowledge of how species endure in the most severe habitats, but also informs conservation efforts, offering insights that are critical in a rapidly changing world. This makes it a pivotal aspect of the broader narrative of animal survival in harsh places, painting a picture of resilience and ingenuity. In the discussion on how animals survive in the harshest places on Earth, the focus on iconic survivors such as camels, polar bears, and deep-sea creatures provides a vivid illustration of biological resilience and adaptation. These animals represent some of the most extraordinary examples of survival in extreme conditions, showcasing nature's ingenuity. Camels, known as the ships of the desert, demonstrate remarkable adaptations that enable them to thrive in arid environments. Their ability to conserve water and withstand extreme heat is legendary. For instance, camels can drink up to 40 gallons of water in one go and survive without water for weeks by efficiently managing their body temperature and water loss. This makes them an essential symbol of survival in some of the planet's most unforgiving landscapes. Polar bears, in contrast, navigate the icy expanses of the Arctic, relying on a thick layer of blubber and dense fur to insulate against biting cold. Their ability to hunt seals, using the ice as a platform, exemplifies their adaptation to seasonal changes in their environment. As climate change threatens their habitat, polar bears have become a focal point in discussions on environmental preservation, highlighting both their vulnerability and the pressing need for conservation efforts. Deep-sea creatures, such as the anglerfish, thrive far below the ocean's surface under immense pressure and complete darkness. These organisms showcase evolutionary marvels such as bioluminescence and extraordinary energy efficiency, allowing them to survive in isolation and scarcity of food. Their study not only deepens our understanding of life's adaptability, but also sparks curiosity about the potential of life on other planets with extreme environments. However, the survival of these iconic species often raises challenges and controversies. The impact of climate change on polar bear habitats illustrates the tension between natural adaptation and human-induced environmental change. Similarly, the adaptation of deep-sea creatures is threatened by deep-sea mining and pollution, leading to debates on balancing resource extraction with conservation. Overall, these case studies are crucial as they provide tangible examples of how life adapts to extreme conditions, enriching our understanding of biology and ecological balance. They also prompt reflection on human impact on these ecosystems and underscore the interconnectedness of all aspects of our planet's biosphere. Such narratives can engage and inspire audiences, emphasizing both the ingenuity of these creatures and the responsibilities we share in preserving their habitats.